In this video,
We will learn how to refund or return emotes and skins in Fortnite. In order to return or refund purchase emotes and skins in Fortnite, all you need to do is head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen, left click. Now go to the settings menu. After coming to the settings menu, head to the accounts and privacy tab. In here under the account section, you will find your recent purchases. There are two ways you can return or refund them. One is by cancelling the purchase. If you have purchased any item unintentionally with V-Bucks, you can cancel the purchase within 24 hours if you have not used the item in game, and it is free. And if you want to return an item, it can be done within 30 days of the item purchasing. But battle pass levels or llamas are not refundable. You can do this by the return ticket. You will get a return ticket every 12 months. So if you have been playing for more than a year, you should have a return ticket in you. So in order to cancel or return an item, just left click on this button. Now you should be seeing all your purchase items on the left hand side. So in order to refund, all you need to do is just left click on that item and hold. Now it will be refunded after the procedure is done using your return ticket, and you can enjoy the game like previously. So this is how you can easily return or refund your purchased skins and emotes in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.